a new vlog for 2026. We are hiking a mountain in Salt Lake City. Guys getting energy for what? I don't know. But look at that. That's where we need to go. Yeah, it's a long way up there, but we're gonna make it. I'm already tired and we're like 10 minutes into the hike. Oh, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain, so it can't stop. Oh, the wind's picking up too.
What's getting me through it?
We're gonna make it, guys. Hopefully. My leg's giving out already. It's kind of steep, not gonna lie.
Sean over there dying. We're gonna hike.
We wanted to go up there, but it's about to start raining like in an hour or so. So we don't have enough time. We start all the way down there. And now we're up here. We're so cool. Oh my gosh, there's so much mountains. I love mountains. Look at it. Oh my.
It is snowing, everybody. It's freezing. He got the drone flying. Pretty cool, not gonna lie. Oh, it's windy.
Yeah, we need to go back that way, guys. It's gonna start going to Joe. It's starting to blizzard.
And some double.
Yeah, it's starting to snow. Look at it.
Yo, almost fell.
What a hike. Oh, snow got in my eye. Snow got in my eye. But yeah, that's so cool. It's a little cold though. My hand's starting to get cold. There's a bunch of rocks though. Yeah, I know, but it's starting to snow like crazy. But my jacket. Snow keeps getting my eye too. Oh, it's picking up.
Got some snowflakes in it here. Yo, that's dope. Got the drone.
Gotta say what's up, close up footage. Maybe we can put the audio in that.
So there, yeah, probably. Pretty cool. Yo, it's snowing even more.
We made it to Chinatown. It's still snowing. It's still snowing. It's a little cold. It got a lot colder actually. Didn't it, Angel? Oh, so cold. Oh. Well, we're gonna go to Chinatown and see what they have. And we'll probably get some iced tea. Alright, I'll see y'all when we make it to the other side. We made it to China, guys. We teleported. I want that one. Oh, Panda, that's what Randy likes. You won't guess where I'm at right now. We just climbed a small little trail and look at that. We're gonna fly my drone right now and get some video intros for this video. So we're about to do that right now. And we'll see how it turns out. guys, I'll end the vlog here. It was very fun visiting Salt Lake City. I was not expecting to be here this time around, and the snow was very unexpected. I did not expect that. But hopefully we're back here next year and we can do more stuff. I want to snowboard. That's definitely on the bucket list. We did not climb the mountain all the way, which is on my bucket list. I want to climb a mountain. So we will do that next time I'm here. Well, I'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.